Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Noiseless Investment. Here we try to decode a company based on the fundamentals and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Please note I am not a SEBI registered advisor and these are my personal views based on the fundamentals of a stock. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. This gives motivation. So this is the website of TataElexi. You can go through the website and get to know more information about the company and the future prospects of TataElexi. Now moving on to the fundamentals for this stock. So here we see TataElexi, the current market price of this stock is 7,667 and there was it fell by around 1.59% today. The current market cap of this company is 47,732 crores and the stock PE is 63. And if we look into the industry PE, it is 36.4. So the stock is expensive in comparison to the industry. And if we look into the ROCE, it is massive. It is 47.7%. ROCE over 3 years is 45.7%. ROCE over 5 years is 44.7%, and ROCE over 10 years is 47.8%. So it is massive. Now, if we look into the ROE, it is 35.6%, and the ROE for this year is 41.1%. So it is extremely good in terms of ROCE and ROE. Now if we look into the face value for the stock, it is 10 and the dividend yield is 0.79. So it is not a very good dividend player. Now if we look into the current ratio, it is 4.83. So the company is having surplus amount of cash in their reserves and they can utilize it much better. However, the company, they are not able to utilize it very properly. Either it is lying in the bank or it is they are not properly utilizing the entire funds they are having. The company is cash rich, however they are not fully, the management is not utilizing its full potential there. So if we look into the promoters holding, it is 43.9, which is less than the 50% mark. If we look into the FIIs, they are having 13.8% and they have reduced their stake by 0.04%. If we look into the DIIs holding, it is 3.54% and they have increased their stake by 0.11%. If we look into the pledged percentage, no stocks are pledged. The sales growth is 27.3% and profit growth CAGR is 37.9%, which makes this company very good in terms of CAGR in relation to profit and sales growth. If we look into the EPS, so each stock of TataElexi is making 121 rupees for you in a year. Now if we look into the sales growth, for 3 years it is 25% and the sales growth for 5 years is 17.8. Similarly, profit growth for 5 years is 25.7 and the profit growth for 3 years is 42.7. And for this year the profit growth is 37.9. So quarter on quarter profit growth is 25.9 and sales growth is 22.9%. Now if we look into the operating profit margin, it is 30.6, which is good. If we look into the ROIC, it is massive, it is 35.1%. If we look into the Altman Z score, it is extremely good in terms of the money that they are having. If we look into the Piotrowski score, it is 6 out of 9. So this specifies average financials. Average financials means they are having money, but they are not utilizing it very properly. So if you look into the return over 1 month, it is 9.17%. Return over 1 week is minus 1.53% and return over 1 day is minus 1.59%. Now let's look into the beta for this stock. If we look into the beta, is coming out to be 0.94. So it moves in alignment with the market. Now if we look into the stock score, The stock score for TataElexi is 7 out of 10. and earning wise it is 6, fundamental it is 7, relative valuation is 1, risk is 9, price momentum is 9. Now let's look into the chart of TataElexi. So if you look into TataElexi, so there is a gap that is there here on at 8325 and between 7982. So this gap will be filled, and later we have this gap as well here in between this level at around 10,102. Sorry, 9,000 something. It is around 9,300. So the however the RSI is less here. It is moving downwards. If you look, the weak hands, they are selling the stock. Volume is less, price is going down. So the weak hand, they are selling off their stake in this company. Now let's move on to the fair value. Please consult your financial advisor before investing in this stock. Now let's move on to the fair value for the stock. Then the fair value for the stock is coming out to be 5312.46. So there is a downside of 30.7% which may happen. So the spread can be between 3,914 and 6,433. So however the current market price is this, so that there is a probable downside of 30.7%. Here you can look into the pros and cons of this company and get to know more about this company. In case you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. Thank you for now. Have a great day ahead.